What truck is this, Johnny?
That excavator.
It's an excavator. Oh, look, you touched the excavator.
Yellow bulldozer time.
That's the bulldozer?
It's gonna touch that one.
Huh?
I'm touching.
You want to touch that too?
Whoa, bulldozer.
You see the bulldozer? Ooh, you touched the bulldozer.
What
Huh?
else?
What else? I don't know. I think that's it.
Another one too.
There go another one too. We're not gonna touch that one because we touched these two, okay? We didn't touch the bulldozer and we touched the excavator. That was so cool, wasn't it?
Look, I got my excavator.
You got your own. Show me your excavator.
Man, that's on truck.
You got tracks?
I love the excavator.
That's what the excavator does? Oh, nice. Oh, what does it feel like?
It's a little dirt.
Feel like dirt? Yeah.
Man, touch the bulldozer.
You know, you want to touch the bulldozer? All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.